Guys, welcome back to my channel here on this Sam Tutorials. I really appreciate anytime you come here to watch something new. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll get a notification. Today we'll be looking at how to watch YouTube videos without you going through the ads, the 5 minutes and the 10 minutes and the 20 minutes, or the 5 seconds and the compulsory 5 seconds before you can skip any ads. What am I supposed to do so that I don't watch these videos, these ads? Just go straight into the video and start watching. Either it is interesting or it is not, so that you move on to the next video. Shout out all those who have been leaving a comment in the comment section. So guys, let's move to the video. So I'll refresh the page. So good. Once the page loads, okay, the video that you are interested, position that video in the middle of your phone. I repeat, in the middle of your phone. The moment the video is in the middle of your phone, it will start playing. It will not show any ads, and as there's an opportunity for you to even turn on the volume right at the right top. And you can also turn it. You can also turn it off. There's also an option for subtitle that can be turned on and off. Let's try it with another video. So there is another video over here. So right in the middle of your phone, the video starts to play without going through a compulsory act of 5 seconds or 15 seconds. So you can click on the volume.
He even graduates.
And you can turn off the volume. You can also turn on and off the subtitle. Just like that. Guys, thank you very much for taking some time to watch my videos. I really appreciate anytime you come here to watch something new. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime you release a video, you'll get a notification. Thank you.